in here? I can't see anything. Can you see me? Maybe I should turn on the light. Let's see what happens when I turn on the light. Whoa! Now you can see me. Hi, scholars. It's Miss Pearson, and it's time for some science. Today, we're going to be continuing to talk about light. As we just saw, light is super important because it helps us see things. In our light unit, we're going to answer a lot of questions about light and do a lot of investigating. We're thinking about what are the sources of light. We're going to find out what are shadows. We're going to think about how does light travel. We're going to think about what happens when I light something. And we're even going to think about how do I make something dark. So far, we've answered the questions, what happens when I light something, with our first lesson, when we got the chance to light up those puppets with a flashlight and draw what we observed. Last class, we figured out what are some sources of light. We realized flashlights, the sun, the stars, and street lights are all different sources of light because they're where light comes from. We also learned that there's two types of sources of light. There's natural light, like the sun, the star, and the moon. And there's artificial light, light that's made by humans, like street lights, flashlights, the headlights of a car, even the lamps that are lighting my room right now. Those are all artificial sources of light. But today, we're going to get the chance to think about how does light travel? It's tricky to figure out how light travels when it's so light and bright and there's so many sources of light on around us. So, I got a picture of me shining a flashlight on a tower when it was pitch dark so that we could see really carefully how the light is traveling from my flashlight, from my source of light, to the tower. Look carefully at the picture. What do you notice? How is the light traveling? Think and then share. Interesting. I noticed that the light is traveling in a specific way. Let's think about the different kinds of lines or ways we can draw lines from kindergarten art. Show me silent excitement if you think the light is traveling in a squiggly, wiggly way. I didn't see much silent excitement. Do you think the light is traveling straight down? Show me silent excitement if you think the light is traveling straight down. I saw friends shaking their head no. They were like, no way, Jose. No way, Miss Pearson. That is not how the light is traveling. Okay, so let's keep thinking. Is the light traveling in a zigzag line? Still friends shaking their head no. No one's showing me that silent excitement. Is the line traveling in a straight line? Ding, ding, ding. Beautiful job, friends. Yeah, the light is traveling in a straight line from the source. So that tells me that light travels in a straight line. Light travels in a straight line. You're listening. Nice work, scientists. Okay, now that we've realized that light travels in a straight line, I want you to head to Seesaw. On Seesaw, I have a little quiz for you. I have a light source over here. Who knows what this light source is? That's a car. A car has headlights in the front, and they use that, and those are light sources. that a car uses to light up the street as it's driving. So I want you to use this drawing tool and show how the light would travel from the light source to this tree. Would it travel in a squiggly wiggly line? Would it travel in a straight line? Would it travel in a straight down? Would it travel in a zigzag line? Draw how the light would travel on Seesaw. I can't wait to see your answers. Good luck, friends!